everyone, my name is Aparna Patia, and this week's tech tip is about how to create custom panel labels. All right, let's get started. So we have a view here that is 1/64 of an inch to a foot, and you can see the panel labels are a little crowded. So by default, MWF does give us a few panel labels, but I'm using the smallest size available, and it's still not good enough for me right now. So what I'm going to do is try to create one that is 1-64. So let's see how to do that. We'll click here, we'll click on the panel label, click on Edit Family. We'll go in here, and these are the items we just saw in the drop-down list. So I'm going to right-click the 1/32, I'll hit Edit, Enable Macros, and what I will do is go File, Save as Family, and I will save this family as 1-64 on my desktop, and I'll hit Save. And I will click on this text label and hit Edit Type. I will rename the type to be 1-64, and then I'll copy that value and I'll paste that as part of my text size. And I would like to also place it as part of my leader border offset. And over here, I can also customize my text style that I have, and I could also customize my width factor. So maybe let's use some nice fancy text here. Let's use Cooper Black, why not? And then we have the option to change our width factor, but we're going to leave that at 1. And let's hit OK, and we will load this family into our panel label family. And yes, we'll save the changes to that family that we just created. And over here, you can see that it popped up in the list. So we need to ensure that this label is reading the correct parameter. So in order for us to do that, we have to click on Label Annotation, and then go right-click on that. And we need to go to Type Properties. We need to ensure that this text is associated to the correct parameter so that it reads the correct data whenever we renumber our panels or rename our panels or add prefixes, etc., etc. So I will click this little gray square here, and I will associate family parameter to the ID parameter, and I'll hit OK. And now I can go to the family types up here with the 4 blue boxes, and I'll change this to 1-64 so that when I load it into the project, it will default to these settings. All right, so now that I have it all set up like this, I am going to go ahead and go load into project and close. You could save your changes to the panel label. I'm not going to. I'll just say no. And I will overwrite existing and its parameters. And you will notice that it quickly changes to whatever size and font that you specified. That's it for this week's tech tip. Hope you have a great day. Bye.